Hello, my little champs. How are you today? I hope you all are doing good. I, Bansi Thakkar, welcome you all once again in our numeracy space. Children, yesterday we learned number name 2. Today we will learn number name of 3. But before that, we will quickly revise number names of 0, 1 and 2. Let us start.
ZERO 1 TWO 2
Children, now tell me which number comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. This is number 3. 3 means 3 objects. 1, 2, 3. And the number name of 3 is T H R E E. 3. T H R E. 3. Repeat after me. T H R E. 3. Children, now we will write number name 3 in our classwork book.
Children, today we will write number name 3 on page number 109. Children, first we will write today's date. Today's date is 2.2.21 2nd February 2021. Number 3 THREE 3. Children, first we will write number 3 over here. First we will make a reverse C curve and again reverse C curve. Number 3. Now we will trace number name 3. First we will make a standing line and curve, and we will make a small slipping line on first blue line T. Now from first red line to second blue line standing line, then we will go up, we will make a curve and come down standing H. Now first blue line to second blue line standing line, then go up and make a curve R. Now slanting line and C curve E. Again slanting line and curve E. T H R E E 3. Again we will trace T H R E E THREE 3. Now we will write here T H R E 3. Now we will write here T H R E 3. Now we will write here T H R E 3. Now we will write here T H R E 3. T H R double E. 3. T H R double E. 3. Children, this way you will complete writing of number name 3 in your classwork book. बच्चों, आपको मैथ्स की होमवर्क बुक में भी पेज नंबर 49 पे नंबर नेम 3 लिखना है.
Children, now we are going to do one activity related to number names. Let us start.
बच्चों, यह एक्टिविटी में पहले आपको यहाँ से सारे नंबर नेम्स रीड करने हैं. फिर उसके रिलेटेड जो नंबर हैं वो यहाँ से ढूंढना है और उसके नीचे रखना है. लेट अस स्टार्ट. लेट्स रीड द फर्स्ट नंबर नेम ZERO 0. Now we will find the number 0. Yes, this is number 0. So we will take it and we will place it below the number name of 0. Now let us read this. ONE 1. Now we will find out the number 1. Yes, this is number 1. So we will place it below the number name of 1. Now next, TWO2. So what we will do, we will find out number 2 and we will place it below the number name of 2. Now we will read this. THREE. THREE 3. So we will put the number 3 below the number name of 3. ZERO 0. ONE 1. TWO 2. THREE 3.
Okay, children. Now, bye-bye for today. See you soon. Take care.